In summer, the cooling effect of an air conditioner is definitely the most important indicator of a car's quality. Do you know how the refrigeration system of a car air conditioner works? Thank you for the little red heart, and let's understand the refrigeration principle of the car air conditioner in 1 minute. You may have seen outdoor cooling systems that spray water. The water is atomized under high pressure and evaporates quickly in high temperature or normal temperature environments. During evaporation, it absorbs heat from the surrounding air, making the environment cooler. Car air conditioning works on a similar principle. The refrigerant in the system is atomized and absorbs heat during evaporation, lowering the temperature of the air and sending cool air into the car. When you turn on the car air conditioner, an electronic clutch drives the compressor to work. Since the compressor is powered by the engine, turning on the air conditioner increases fuel consumption. The compressor compresses the refrigerant into a high-temperature, high-pressure gaseous state. The gaseous refrigerant then enters the condenser at the front of the car through a pipeline. The condenser and fan cool down the refrigerant. The refrigerant condenses into a high-pressure, low-temperature liquid as it releases heat. At this stage, a dryer in the condenser absorbs moisture and impurities from the refrigerant to prevent water blockage, ice blockage, and dirt blockage in the pipeline. The high-pressure, low-temperature liquid refrigerant that has completed condensation passes through an expansion valve. The expansion valve acts as a nozzle that sprays the refrigerant into the evaporator. Here, it is depressurized and becomes a low-temperature physical state. It evaporates in the evaporator and absorbs heat. Fresh air cools down as it passes through the evaporator before being sent into the car. The refrigerant, after absorbing heat and evaporating, becomes a room temperature, low-pressure gas and re-enters the compressor. At this point, the car air conditioner completes one refrigeration cycle. As long as you don't turn off the air conditioner, this cycle will continue. Isn't it simple? In our next video, we'll discuss why an air conditioner might stop cooling or why its cooling effect might deteriorate. If you don't want to go to a repair shop, how should you handle it yourself? Like and follow for more informative 3D mechanics.